Hey, so after my video last week about introducing OpenTofu, I thought I'd show you what it's like to migrate off of Terraform to OpenTofu. So I've got this pretty old repo here, and it's running 1.5.7. I want to migrate to OpenTofu 1.5.8, right? So we're migrating from Terraform to OpenTofu. And so if I come in and I write Terraform version, make sure, yep, that's the version I'm on, Tofu version. Perfect, that's the version I'm on. Great, everything's set up as expected. Let me go ahead and make sure that I am running a clean plan. All right, this is my development environment. I've got 4 environments in this repo that I'll migrate, but I'm just gonna show you the development environment. And for security's sake, I'm probably gonna blur out the output, so be aware of that. But this will be an uncut video. So I'm gonna show you exactly, step by step, all the pain points, if there are any, of how this process goes. All right, good. So first thing I'm gonna do, delete my Terraform folder, right? I wanna run a clean installation. Get rid of that, get rid of terraform-lock, delete. Great. And now I'm going to comment out my Terraform version, uncomment my OpenTofu version, okay? And I'm going to write tofu init. Let's see how that goes. Initialize in the backend. I do have my backend set up in S3, as you can tell. I'm not showing you my bucket name so that, security. Here we go. We're installing all this stuff, the providers that I need. It's going to take a second because this takes a long time. All right, nice. That took less time than I thought it would. All right, and now I've got my Terraform folder built out. Providers, nice. All right, I've got all my modules set up. I've even got a state file. Let's find out what happens if I run tofu plan. Oh, tofu requires a state lock. Bad stuff, bad stuff. DynamoDB. I thought I said don't lock. Oop. What is it? I don't remember the lock. Lock equals false. Okay. Tofu plan. Yep. Compact warnings and lock equals false. Here we go. Here we go. There it is. My state is getting read. It's getting updated, and we'll find out, did this migration work? Do we have a built-out state file? Yes. What happens if I run tofu apply? Oop. Tofu apply. Got back warnings like false, I'll approve. And now I want my dev environment in this repo. Tofu apply. We get state updates, and we should have no changes. And that'll be it. I'll migrate it. That's all it takes. Pretty simple, pretty easy. I'm not using all the features. I have my backend collapsed because, apply complete. Nothing added, nothing changed, nothing destroyed. Backend is collapsed because I haven't added variables yet. Like I mentioned in the 1.8 release, you can add variables to the backend definition so that you don't have to hard code it in there. This is an old file, so it's hard coded in there. I'm gonna probably make that change right now. That's it. Hope you enjoyed.